What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I've got some exciting news on MP Materials. This news has had a massive impact on the share price, and as at the time of recording this video, it's over 10% in pre-market. Now as you can see from the chart, MP Materials has been in a bit of a downtrend before this news came out. So if you bought the dip over here, then congratulations. But now let's take a look into what caused the spike in the share price, and then we'll discuss whether it's still worth investing in this company or not. China targets rare earth export curbs to hobble US defense industry. So this news was leaked earlier today, and basically Beijing has asked industry executives if proposed restrictions will harm Western contractors. China is exploring limiting the export of rare earth minerals that are crucial for the manufacture of American F-35 fighter jets and other sophisticated weaponry, according to people involved in a government consultation. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology last month proposed draft controls on the production and export of 17 rare earth minerals in China, which controls about 80% of global supply. Industry executives said government officials had asked them how badly companies in the US and Europe, including defense contractors, would be affected if China restricted rare earth exports during a bilateral dispute. The government wants to know if the US may have trouble making F-35 fighter jets if China imposes an export ban, said a Chinese government advisor who asked not to be identified. The industry executives added that Beijing wanted to better understand how quickly the US could secure alternative sources of rare earths and increase its own production capacity. So basically the US supply of rare earth minerals isn't guaranteed due to the deteriorating relationship between the two countries. And this is a big cause of concern for the US because rare earth minerals are not only vital for the US defense industry, they're also essential for manufacturing smartphones, electric vehicles, and wind turbines. So in light of all of this, the theory is that the US government will have to fund and work with rare earth mining companies in the US, and this is where MP Materials comes into play. MP Materials has the only operating North American rare earth element mine, and this is one of two operating outside of China. This mine is said to have 15% of the world's supply. MP Materials is now a debt-free company. They went public in order to raise capital to build the refining machinery to refine the ore on site. As of right now, all the rare earth in the world is processed in China due to them having a monopoly on the global market. China controls 80% of the world's supply of rare earth metals and refines all ores with the exception of Lynas Mine in Australia, who refine their ore in Malaysia. MP Materials is expecting to bring their entire supply chain to be on site and go mine to magnet by 2023. This is with the goal of making the US rare earth independent so that the country is less reliant on China to keep exports up. So this is the reason why MP Materials has gone up over 10% in pre-market. I previously had a position in MP and sold for a profit, but now this company has come back on my watch list and I'll be looking for a pullback before buying some shares, which I'll hold for the long term. But now I'd like to hear what your thoughts are about this company. Do you already have a position in MP Materials, or are you planning on buying some shares? Leave a comment below to let me know. That's it for me today. Have an awesome week and I'll see you in the next one.